Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to the unbagging boxing of the Unity Stamp Kit of the month. I haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna go ahead and do that together. I hope that you all are having a wonderful time. I want to say that I got this April 10th, 2023. I think that's when I got it. I normally don't open them up right away because I'm not using the kit into the next month per se. So I'm not that excited about opening them up. I will say that for April, I needed to bring all the things that it needs to bring. This is April 2023 Kit of the Month, all the wishes, and for the most part, it looks okay. This little mouse is very cute. I am a sucker for house mouse. This, even though it's not a house mouse, it does fit the cuteness. We have this, what is this? Hot air balloon, these wreath of birds. This I do see some maybe snoozits probably. Just a slight deviation. This came from Joann Fabric, but I think it's cute because they had these little mice like onto the strawberry patch. I think that's cute. So let's go ahead and open this up. As usual, Unity Stamp does have a fairly decent large size stamp, so I'm gonna look into it. Last month, I haven't did the thing yet because it's for March. I mean, the end of April, but it's a March kit. I haven't did it yet. I don't think, if I recall, I wasn't too impressed with it. We got these cute little buttons. I am a fool for buttons. Love them. And we have these feel like some collaging papers. These are like thin, thin, thin. You know how you go to a Walmart and you spend that $5 on that paper pack that they have, and they're thin paper. So even this paper pad right here that I had told you all about from Hobby Lobby, this paper is really thin, and that's what this feels like. So that's really good because if you're looking to make, layer papers, you don't want a lot of weight on them. So this is cute. You can do some stuff with this. Even put this like underneath that. Make a collage card if you wanted to, or you could just put this in your journal. And then you have this little envelope, which is really cute. I am a sucker for all of these cute little additional pieces. I know they say that they're good, they're freebies, but I don't. Free is you don't do anything to get it. I pay for this kit every month, so I don't think it's free. This, listen, this might be my card. This is definitely something that Brandy would do right. This is right up my alley. It is called Encouragement Card, All the Wishes Kit of the Month. And the only thing that they used different was the scalpel and circle nesting dies, some Copic markers. But for the most part, they just stamped this out. I like a good background stamp. I don't see scallops and circles. I don't see that at all. I don't know. They stamped this out. Then they look like they cut this or fussy cut it or scan and cut it. And then they just did this. Wouldn't a circle be a cir? You know what? It says scallops and circles nesting dies. I don't know. But this is cute. And let's see what they give us on the back. Okay, so this is the other side. All right, so they got this one. Yeah, this is interesting. This is cute how they layered it up. But let's go ahead and look at the actual stamp kit. So these mountains look pretty big. It says, so we have, let's look at the mountains first. And we have this really cute background right here. I think this would be cool um, to use. Then we have this flower. This flower is probably going to be of all of these, my most fun to use in different projects when I go back to need a flower. It looks like it just, I don't know if the person, let's see, Julissa, Julicia Sargo, her coloring is very pretty. She tells you the markers that she used, which if I don't have these Copic markers to match this, I could probably find something. But these look like I would want to color on color pencils. But we'll see. And I'm a sucker for background. Anyway, I like this one a lot. Does not mean it's going to be my use it, just so you all know. I do, I think I've identified my snooze it. Just saying, because it's not, these, it's only one, two, three, four, five. It's five, six big stamps, and you got one, two, three, four little ones. Then you had this hot air balloon, this little mouse, and then these little birds. And to be honest, first of all, I hate saying to be honest. I just feel like, You should just speak because everything you say should be honest. I don't really care for wreath making things. I know that sounds crazy, but I don't. So let's just go ahead and take a look at the size and let's look at the sentiment first. You have been assigned this mountain to show others that it can be moved. Oh, I love that. I wish this mountain was a little bit bigger for that reason. I love this. This would probably just be a great black and white card and the sentiment on the inside. I may try that after I make my snooze it cards, snooze it, use it cards. And then it says, just thought you should know. Here's a little encouragement. So I guess these are meant. Okay. One day at a time, wishing you all the wishes. Oh, I guess happy birthday maybe. Safe travels. This would be cute right here. You put this inside. I don't know, this little mouse. I love this little mouse. Even though I don't think I'd use it regularly, it's just so cute. Look at it. Come on, focus, please. There we go. It's adorable. Enjoy the little things. And I think that goes with that. Like he's getting ready to play with this little dandelion and then this hot air balloon. I would like, I would have liked to see the stamps be a little bit larger. Maybe the mountains one because of the sentiment is such a powerful sentiment. I do like that because right now I think that I myself have come into a lot of roadblocks or detours or you got to wait 5 minutes because they're working on the road. It's one way road and you're on the side that says stop and then have to turn the flag to make you go. I feel like that's where I'm at right now in my life. And so it's very interesting that, um, I'm identifying heavily with my emotion with that mountain, but this could be good in the background. And these mountains could be there, but they have some birds there. So this is the kid of the month. I I'll let you know my feelings about it tomorrow, even though I've identified a few that are like this right here. It looks bigger, right? It looks kind of like it's a large sentiment. I mean, a large stamp, and it's not really that big. It's only what, a two and a half maybe. So roughly 3 by 2, and then this is roughly 4 by 3 probably. Yeah, 4 by 3, and the little mouse is under 3. So they're not as large as they have been in the past, but I mean, you know, things are changing. Times have changed. As long as they still bring cute stamps, I'm okay with that. And I don't know if they still have the same artist or not. I don't know. It seems like they they're changing up a few things. So anyway, I want to say thank you all for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this, and I hope that you'll see what we do with our stamps tomorrow for the end of the month of May. So until next time, happy crafting.